Hello, friends. This is the Hello Winter Challenge. This is our host is the Rustic Willow and DIY from House to Home. The guest host is Area Designs. Please check out their channel in the description box and check out the playlist for more winter ideas for DIYs for your home. If you haven't, please like to help the channel grow, and please subscribe to watch more painting videos. Okay, I was told by Jackie, and I'll link Jackie's channel in the description box, that the Dollar Tree snow is better than any other. So I got me some Dollar Tree snow for this project. Looks like it might need some more Mod Podge. It doesn't look like it's sticking very well. Okay, now we'll try it. Maybe it takes lots of Mod Podge. Okay. These are Dollar Tree ornaments, and actually they are pretty cute. I thought I would put it on this for my winter decor. Oops, he's got to move over. That one may not have arms in this one. Okay, let's add some ribbon to our book stack. And this will be the back, so it'll be covered up. Oops. Then I got this little bow on another project. I think I'm gonna just pull it off and put it over here on this one. This bow that's got snowmen on it, I'm just gonna put that on the book here. And at first I didn't like how it looked like the snow was dripping down on the words, but I kind of like it. It looks like the books were sitting outside. Okay, snowman. I may have to come back with some stronger glue on him. By just adding a little Mod Podge around the edge of the bell, because we want some snow. It's not a winter project without snow. going to be drying, I want to start taking this apart while the stuff dries. I'm going to take this off because we don't need that. I'm also going to take that off. And then we're going to also take this off. Make a little tiny bow. And I always make them bigger than they need to be. So there's that. And then just gather it here. I like to add a pipe cleaner to make sure it's secure. And you try to get the pipe cleaner even, because you don't want your angel to have uneven wings. Or then they'll say you're making fallen angels on your channel. We wouldn't want to have that if they're uneven. And let's see. Here's a little flower we took off. We're going to add that to cover up where our pipe cleaner was. It's holding our wings on. And you could do double. And then I just got a little tiny brooch. I'm going to add that looks like a snowflake. I'm going to add that to the center of the flower. Because I like a little bling. Do you like a little? If you don't like bling, you can just leave it as is. Okay, now we're going to add her halo, because she's a snow angel. And you could use silver pipe cleaner, but I like to kind of mix the metals for something different. So I'm going to add a gold halo. Here's our DIYs. First, we made the snowman book stack that has the titles of 3 children's books related to winter: The Snowman, The Red Sled, and Snow. I put a snowman bow and black and white buffalo plaid, and I added 2 Dollar Tree snowman ornaments on the top, and I added snow. And keeping in the black and white theme, I did a snow angel. And yes, I put snow around the bottom of her. And I even added a little snowflake brooch to her neck. This would be cute. You could use this as a small tree topper if you did a snow themed tree. Or you could just use it. I'm going to use these setting on my coffee table.